Hi everybody, we are going to make these beautiful flowers using these papers. You can also take craft paper in place of this. We are taking here printed paper. We are going to fold it like this and make the petals of the flower, make more such petals. Now we are going to tuck all of them inside and paste them as well. And look, when you open it, it will look like this. Now tuck it inside and curl the petals like this using a toothpick or a stick. And you have to do it from all its sides. Now open it and look, your flower is ready. We are going to make these colorful flowers. So take a square paper and fold it like this. Again, we are going to make the petals of the flower, and look, you'll get a shape like this. Now paste it and make 8 such pieces. After that, we are going to paste all of them one after another. Now open it and look, your flower is ready. Look at this very pretty umbrella. Let's make it. We are going to fold a square craft paper like this. Make multiple folds from its corners, and look, it is looking like this. Again, we are folding like this and do the same from other side as well. Now we are going to cut the bottom part and make multiple cuts like this from scissors, and then we are going to open it and look, it is looking like this. Again, fold it and then you'll get a shape like this. Paste both the shapes together like this. Now we are going to fold it and press it like this, and look, it is ready. We are going to make a cut in the center, put a stick, and look, your umbrella is ready. Let's make this beautiful floral umbrella. Take a craft paper, fold it like this, and then we're going to make multiple pleats like we are doing here by folding the craft paper, and then we're going to make the edges round like this. Now again, make 2 cuts on the paper using scissors. Now we are going to make 2 such shapes and combine both of them together like this. We are going to press it and you will get a shape like this. Now we are going to paste both the shapes together one over another. Make a cut on both ends, put a stick, then we are going to secure it like this, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.